Hello, in this video we are going to be solving a nice algebra problem. X square minus y equal to 61, y square minus x equal to 61. The question now says find x comma y. Let us call this guy equation 1 and let us call this equation 2. The first step is to subtract equation 1 from equation 2, that is equation 2 minus equation 1. So we have y square minus x minus the left hand side of equation 1, x square minus y equal to 61 minus 61. Y square minus x minus times x square, that is minus x square, minus times minus y, that is plus y, equal to 61 minus 61, that is simply 0. Y square minus x square plus y minus x is equal to 0. By just rearranging this equation, we have this. Let's put these guys in brackets. So that will be y square minus x square in brackets plus y minus x also in brackets equal to 0. You will notice that y square minus x square is the difference of 2 square, and we can rewrite it as y minus x times y plus x plus y minus x equal to 0. What do you notice here? You will notice that y minus x is common. Let us factor it out. So that will be y minus x into y plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Let's continue. Y minus x times y plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies that y minus x is equal to 0, or y plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Clearly, from this line, y is equals to x. Take note of this guy, it is very important. Or, from this line also, y is equal to negative x minus 1. Take note of this also. Now, substitute y equal to x into equation 1. What is equation 1? Equation 1 is x square minus y equal to 61. Let me show you. Equation 1 is x square minus y equal to 61. Let's proceed further. So, x square minus, we will now replace this particular y with x equal to 61. S square minus x. When we transfer 61 to the left side, we have minus 61 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and we can solve it using quadratic formula. The quadratic formula says x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. From this equation, a is equals to 1. Coefficient of x square, b is equals to minus 1, and c is equals to negative 61. What we need to do now is to plug in these values into this right hand side. X is equal to minus, what is b? B is minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square. B is negative 1. That will be minus 1 all squared minus 4 times, what is a? A is 1 times, what is c? C is minus 61. Everything divided by 2 times, what is a? A is 1, so we have 1 here. X is equal to minus times minus 1, that is 1, plus or minus square root of minus 1 all squared, that is simply 1. Minus 4 times 1 times minus 61 is plus 244 divided by 2 times 1, that is 2. X is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 244, that is 245 divided by 2. Let's proceed further. X is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 245 could be written as square root of 49 times square root of 5 divided by 2. So x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 49 is simply 7 times square root of 5 divided by 2. This implies that x is equal to 1 plus 7 root 5 divided by 2, or x is equal to 1 minus 7 root 5 divided by 2. Thus, we have two values for x. To get the values of y now, since y is equals to x, let me show you where we got this guy from. It's actually from here. Let's proceed further. Our goal now is to consider each value of x. Consider this guy first. When x is equal to 1 plus 7 root 5 divided by 2, plugging this value of x here, we have y equal to 1 plus 7 root 5 divided by 2. Let us call this x1 and this y1. This means that the first solution that we have is simply x1 comma y1 equal to x1 is 1 plus 7 root 5 divided by 2, comma, and y1 is 1 plus 7 root 5 divided by 2. This happens to be the first solution. Now let us consider when s is equals to 1 minus 7 root 5 divided by 2. Let's manage here. When x is equal to 1 minus 7 root 5 divided by 2. Plugging this value of x into this right hand side, we have y equal to 1 minus 7 root 5 divided by 2. Let's call this x2 and this y2. This means that the second solution, let's write it here, x2 comma y2 is equal to x2 is 1 minus 7 root 5 divided by 2, 1 minus 7 root 5 divided by 2, comma, similarly y2 is 1 minus 7 root 5 divided by 2. This happens to be the second solution. Now, substitute y equal to minus x minus 1 into equation 1. We got this guy from here. Let me show you. This line. Let's continue. What is equation 1? Equation 1 is s square minus y equal to 61. So, s square minus, we will now replace this particular y with minus x minus 1 minus x minus 1 equal to 61. So, s square minus times minus x, that is plus x, minus times minus 1, that is plus 1, equal to 61. S square plus x plus 1. When we transfer 61 to the left, we have minus 61 equal to 0. S square plus x, 1 minus 61, that is negative 60, equal to 0. You will notice that we can solve this quadratic equation using quadratic formula because it is not factorizable. The quadratic formula says x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. From this equation, a is equals to 1, b is also is equals to 1, and c is equals to minus 60. X is equal to minus, what is b? B is 1 plus or minus square root of b square, that will be 1 square minus 4 times. What is a? A is 1 times. What is c? C is negative 60. Let's continue. Divided by 2a. That will be 2 times 1. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square, that is simply 1, minus 4 times 1 times minus 60, that is plus 240, divided by 2 times 1, that is 2. X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 240, that is 241, divided by 2. This implies that x is equal to minus 1 plus root 241 divided by 2, or x is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 241 divided by 2. Thus, we also have two values for x. Now, since y is equal to minus x minus 1, to get the value of y now, we will now consider each value of x that we have here. Consider this first. When x is equal to minus 1 plus root 241 divided by 2. From here, we have y equal to minus. We will now replace this particular x with this guy. So we have minus 1 plus root 241 divided by 2, close the bracket, minus 1. Y is equal to minus times minus 1, that is 1, minus times plus, that is minus root 241 divided by 2, minus 1. Y is equal to minus times minus 1, that is 1, minus times plus, that is minus root 241 divided by 2. Let's put it in brackets, minus 1. Y is equal to, the LCM here is 2, so that will be 2 over 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 1 times this numerator, we have 1 minus root 241 minus 2 divided by 1, that is 2. 2 times 1, that is simply 2. So y is equal to 1 minus 2, that is negative 1, minus root 241 divided by 2. Let us call this y3 and this guy s3. This means that the third solution is s3 comma y3 equal to, what is s3? s3 is minus 1 plus root 241 divided by 2, minus 1 plus root 241 divided by 2, comma, y3 is 1 minus root 241 divided by 2. This happens to be the third solution. Now, let us consider when x is equals to minus 1 minus root 241 divided by 2. Let's manage here. When x is equal to this guy, minus 1 minus root 241 divided by 2. We just have to plug in this value of x into this equation. So we have y equal to minus, we will now replace this x with this, minus 1 minus root 241 divided by 2 minus 1. Y is equal to minus times minus 1, that is 1, minus times minus, that is plus root 241 divided by 2. Let's put it in brackets, minus 1. Let's separate this. Y is equal to, if you take the LCM is 2. 2 over 2, that is 1. 1 times this numerator, we have 1 plus root 241 minus 2 over 1, that is 2. 2 times 1, that is simply 2. So y is equal to 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, plus root 241 divided by 2. Let us call this y4 and this guy x4. This means that the fourth solution, which is x4 comma y4, is equal to, the value of x4 is minus 1 minus root 241 divided by 2, minus 1 minus root 241 divided by 2, comma, and y4 is minus 1 plus root 241 divided by 2. This is the fourth solution. So, therefore, all the solutions that we have for this math problem is simply x comma y is equal to set of, the first solution that we obtain is 1 plus 7 root 5 divided by 2, comma, 1 plus 7 root 5 divided by 2. This is the first solution. The second solution is 1 minus 7 root 5 divided by 2, comma, 1 minus 7 root 5 divided by 2. This is the second solution that we have. And the third solution is, let's write it here, minus 1 plus root 241 divided by 2, comma, minus 1 minus root 241 divided by 2. This is the third solution. And the fourth solution is this guy, minus 1 minus root 241 divided by 2, comma, minus 1 plus root 241 divided by 2. This is the fourth solution for this math problem. That's it. Thanks for watching.